In travel news for September 6, 2022, we have good news for those taking a river cruise in Europe this fall. We have an update from St. Lucia and an update from Club Med. But before we get into that, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights which will help you to travel like an Adept Traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. While many Caribbean destinations have already dropped mask mandates and testing requirements, the island of St. Lucia has taken a slower, more cautious approach. It has been recently announced that, starting yesterday, September 5th, travelers will no longer need to provide a negative COVID test or proof of vaccination to enter the country. Physical distancing and crowd limits have also been phased out. There is still a mask mandate for large gatherings and on public transportation. Travelers will still need to submit a health screening form prior to arrival. Club Med is no longer operating the Port St. Lucie all-inclusive resort in Florida. This was the only U.S.-based property in the Club Med portfolio. The new owner, Altitude International Holdings, plans to continue resort operations while they begin a comprehensive 2-year renovation to transform the resort into a hotel and sports academy. The company plans on utilizing the resort's existing athletic installations that are spread out over 200 acres, which include golf, beach volleyball, and a trapeze experience, and, well, so much more. Club Med isn't leaving the U.S. Currently, they are preparing to open a new resort in Snowbasin, Utah, which will be part of the company's exclusive selection of higher-end resorts. River cruises continue to be a favored way of traveling through Europe. However, the summer hasn't been kind to the European cruise industry. At least 2/3 of Europe has been under drought conditions for much of the summer. This is the worst drought Europe has faced in the last 500 years. Cruise lines have had to modify itineraries, cancel sailings, or move passengers from one ship via bus or train to another ship in order to bypass stretches of river that are too low to navigate. There is good news for those planning on taking a European river cruise this fall. Europe has finally gotten rain. Enough that most of the popular rivers are now navigable, including the Rhine and Danube, two of the hardest hit rivers. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.